I'm bald-headed. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I fell asleep for a minute. It's your girl, Sweet Pea, back with another video. So, this is the most simplest, the most easiest bald cap method you can do. Y'all remember when things were simple? Well, they still are. We just complicate them. Anyway, after this video, I will include a clip of me installing my lace front so that you can see how this ball cap method actually look under the lace front once you install it. So stay tuned so you can see how this simple, easy method, no glue, no hose, no thread, nothing complicated, just one product and a blow dryer. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to hit that notification button so you can stay up to date with all my entertaining videos. Let's get to it.
Okay, so here's my ugly hair in a ponytail. I'm going to start off by taking some alcohol and just cleaning the edges of my perimeter. Now I'm brushing it back with my baby hair toothbrush. Spray a little hold and spray back there. Blow dry it so it can be nice and slick before I put my cap on. Do the same thing in the front. Blow dry it for a few minutes. Y'all don't mind me. I like having fun, making y'all laugh. Okay, I'm getting ready to pick which ball cap method. I'm not going to use that knee-high thing with them holes. That's just going to drive me crazy. We're going to use the regular ball cap, the one that you get in the pack 2 for $1.99 or $2.99. I'm snapping it on, making sure it's in back of my ear and not too close to your ear. Because, you know, when y'all have it too close to your ear, after a couple of days, it be getting sore. Okay, and so now I'm just going to get ready to put my holding spray on around my edges. Yeah, I know the routine. I'm going to just blow dry it for a few minutes while I'm singing to myself in my head. La, la, la. Make sure it's real hard. All right, all right, all right. Y'all do not want to hear me sing. Y'all really don't. Okay, so now I'm just going to spray a little bit in the back. Blow dry it for a few minutes. Look, we really done. I'm going to spray a little bit more so it could be nice and hard. Blow dry it for about 5 more minutes. And really, we done. That's like basically it. No hose, no thread sewing down, none of that crazy mess. It's going to look the same. Watch. Let me see. Let's blow dry it a few minutes. See, basically, this is it. So now what I'm going to do is get ready to cut the lace around the front part of my edges and install my wig. In a few seconds, you guys are going to see how my wig looked. And if you look in the description, you will also see the video of the installment. See, here we go, y'all. It's the same, nothing wrong. I'm loving it. It's bouncy, and you can't tell. Thanks for watching, and thank you for supporting me.